all, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I am going to share with you a very easy overnight oats recipe. It's mango, banana and kesar flavored overnight oats recipe which involves no cooking and it's a vegan recipe. So let's begin with the video. Here I'm taking 5 to 6 dates and also a handful of raisins. Because they often come with a lot of dust and dirt, we need to wash them really well. Wash them for 2 to 3 times or until you get clean water. Drain out the excess water. Here I have a handful of nuts and seeds. Whatever nuts or seeds are available with you, you can use that. I am using pumpkin seeds, walnuts and also cashew nuts. And here I have mixed chia seeds and basil seeds together so that it's convenient for me to use it. I will use 3 spoons of this as well. Adding some kesar and will add the required quantity of regular oats. This recipe tastes better with regular oats as compared to rolled oats or steel cut oats. We'll add the required quantity of water just to ensure that everything is soaked properly. I'm not using milk in it because oats is having its own milky consistency, so it's even used to prepare oat milk, right? So if you add water, the required quantity of water, you will not even realize that you have not added milk and it will taste like as if you have added milk. So it's a great way to consume oats if you are looking for some vegan recipes. You can skip the milk part and you can add water for that. Now I have mixed everything well. We'll cover it and keep it in the fridge overnight. Next day morning, this is what the overnight oats look like. Kesar has released its color and all the nuts and seeds are nicely soaked. I will serve half of these in 2 bowls for breakfast and the remaining half I will again keep it in fridge for evening snacks. From the top I am roughly chopping 1 banana and also half of a mango. And here we have our overnight vegan oats recipe all ready, which involves no cooking. And that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.